Nothing. Just nothing. Nothing. I'm completely stumped. So that's the problem I got right now. I've checked pretty much everything I can, and all I've done was painted it. You know, I had it sitting in the garage for, I don't know, 6 months maybe. I don't remember how long it's been. And it was working great. You know, I changed out the clutch. That was the last thing I really did to it. Hopped on it and ran, you know, all over the place. We were driving it around and all kinds of things. So I started to put all the plastics and all that kind of stuff back together on it. And I wanted to move it or something, and I got on it and pressed it. I thought, well, maybe it's a bad battery. So I put a new battery in, charged it, still nothing. Just no power, and nothing's been done to it other than paint it. So, and it was working great right before I painted it. So I don't know. I got on the forums, tested some things out. I've jumped the solenoid. I've got the new battery. I've put a charger on it. I've done all kinds of things. Even when you jump the solenoid, it still doesn't do anything. One guy told me to go down there under the terminals and hook directly to the starter. I forgot what it was, A1 and F1 or something. And the starter does spin. So it's not getting power from the switch or the stupid reverse and forward switch or something. Somewhere. I think it has to do with these two blocks back here. I don't really know what they're for, but I've traced the wires up and they come up from the switches to here. One of them goes in here and one goes to that. Not really sure what they're called, but I know this one was quite expensive. I think I found it on eBay for like 100 and something. But I don't know how to test for power there. So that's what this video is about, is if anybody's got any suggestions of what might be going on here, please help me out. I got it painted, I got it ready to go, and now it won't go. It's been a great cart up until then. You know, we got it for 500 bucks, and all I've really done to it was put the new piston in, new reed valves, and then I ended up buying that new clutch for it because that just, you know, and it was working great after all of that. You just hop on it and go. I put a new clutch or a new choke wire in there so we didn't have to, because the one we had was just a wire hanging out. So I put an actual choke switch or choke pull in there so you could actually pull it and then push it back. So I've got all of that hooked up and everything too, but it just won't go, so I need some help. They kind of stopped replying on the forum because everybody's stumped as well. So we'll get this video out there and see if I can get it going. Hopefully I can figure it out and I'll post it up there for anybody else that has a problem. But like I said, just keep researching and learning. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get the baby running. That's just the way I am. I'll put it off because now I don't know what to do, so I'll have to go and find something and try something else and get it out there. Hopefully one of you guys will put a comment down there and kind of help me out, and maybe somebody's seen it before. So if that's the case, I'll fire it up and give you a shout out there, because I'd love to get this thing going again. I loved this cart. It's kind of nice to just hop on and go. It's better than an electric one sometimes. You don't have to worry about charging the batteries or anything. But like I said, one more time, it was working great. I parked it for a while to paint it. Had it in the garage, moved it out here outside sometimes, so it did get rained on some. We had a tarp over it, but you know, didn't protect it great. But other than that, it just stopped working. We haven't done anything else to it, so can't figure it out. So thanks for watching and help me out, and we'll catch you in the next video.